Next up at the Denim Doctor is these ladies diesel jeans. They've come in for something we're getting now and again with diesel jeans. From the factory, they come with all these funky, retro-y type vintage bits on them around the knee, around the thigh area. But obviously, after wearing them for a bit, maybe a year or two down the line, these holes start off quite small and then they start to open up. And then when you're putting them on, you start putting your toe through them and maybe your foot goes through them and then before you know it, it goes whoop, right across and then it rips. So this lady sent me to, I'm going to be putting some fabric behind the holes, stitching that in place to stop this one from getting any worse and to stop that one from getting any worse. So stay tuned and I'll post up a after part. And here we have the after part. It's all reinforced, new fabric behind there. The fabric goes from above the wear area right down to the bottom. And same with this one, the wear reinforcement goes from the top to the bottom, so it's all reinforced. We've put some new fabric behind there, a bit darker as the customer requested. She wanted it making into a little bit of a feature. Remove some of the white threads but leave some, just so it still looks a bit vintage looking and in keeping with the rest of the jeans and the fading that's there and everything like that. Obviously she's got a few other little wear areas, so it's in keeping with the jeans and the style. So there you have it. So if you've got any diesel jeans and they've got some rips on them that are getting pretty bad and you want it maybe reinforcing before they get any worse, drop me a DM via Instagram or you can drop me an email. It's michael@thedenimdoctor.co.uk on the email, and obviously there's loads of before and after pictures on my website and on my Instagram page if you want to see any before and after work. Thanks for watching, people, really appreciate it. Thank you, have a great day. Cheers, thank you, bye.